Today we will make this hair clip, 7 cm of stainless steel BB hair clip. Then we use our new material. We have such a spool of narrow ribbon. The one made is very textured. First, we take a piece of denim ribbon 25 cm long. First, we make the part of the ball, fold it in half. Then open it. At the crease we just made, apply a dot of glue. Then pull it back. Make one of the small streamer corners. Press it down. The same operation is performed on the other side. Apply glue at the same position. Stick the loop back. When sticking it, everyone pay attention to whether the small ears on both sides are symmetrical. After that, we use another section of our ribbon. Don't cut it. Apply glue. Wrap the double-headed waistline. Stick it on one side slightly obliquely. Press it down slightly. Go round in a loop, again for one more round. In total, it is 2 rounds. And stick them together. After that, loop it to the back. Cut it off. Apply glue. Press it down slightly. Then our bow is finished. Next, let's make the clip part. This is our 7 cm stainless steel water drop clip. It is also called a snap clip. The material is very good. It can be directly attached to the scalp. When attached to the hair, it will not rust. Then we take a 13 cm press strip. Apply some glue at the head. Along the clip all the way to the dotted part at the bottom. Then stick it on top. Also press it down slightly. This one doesn't need to be wrapped, just do direct collage. Then pay attention to the key points on the other side. Fold it back like this. Everyone can take a look first. Let's take a look at approximately where the crease is when we fold it back. Put a little glue at the crease as a fixation. Fold it back and then continue to apply glue. This 13 cm length is just right for wrapping such a water drop clip. It is very sturdy and beautiful. Then take the bone-out headband we just made. Apply glue on the back. After that, it is just fitted at the head position. A small braid clip with an elegant and good-looking appearance is now completed. In our material kit, you can make a pair. Then this clip is also given as a gift. There are a total of 3 colors to choose from. There are 3 colors, light, medium, and dark. There are 3 such colors in total.